when you test a product, I'm assuming you have to have a diverse group of people because people think differently and different backgrounds think differently and approach things differently. So how do you manage that?
Yeah, well, so it starts with, again, knowing which segment of users you developed this for. And you are never going to have a singular product that everybody uniformly loves. And so making sure that the team understands this is the product for this type of clinician who uses these techniques. Or maybe this one needs to bridge 2 or 3 types of clinicians. And making sure that you are bringing people in and you know the users well enough. I knew, and I'm not going to name names, but I knew this is my person who is all about feel and is an artist. And this is my person who is all about speed. And this is my person who is all about predictability. And they are so obviously that person. I can bring in each of them and have them do the evaluation. And I know how I'm going to perform with each of these groups.
Really targeting the right person to test the product at the right time.
Yeah.
That's a really interesting approach and one I've not really heard before. But again, I'm really trying to understand the product development cycle. So it's not to say that it's not being done.
Right. Yeah. Finding the clinicians who are consistent in what they want and who are really good at articulating what they're feeling, what they need, what they like, what they don't like. That's really important. So as a product manager or a director or a VP, anybody in med device should have that Rolodex of the people that they know. These are my go-to people that I know I can call them up and have them come in and touch my product. And they're going to give me useful feedback in whether it's hit the mark and how we make it better. There is no value in promoting a brand of a company or a product that doesn't actually match what that product is delivering, right? It becomes lip service. It becomes silly. When you have a product that you say, this is what it's going to do, this is the role it's going to play in your practice, this is how it's going to perform, and then the product actually does it, it's so powerful. And now you have an incredible launch and an incredible brand and something people keep coming back to and using.